Ever needed your language model to return structured data instead of plain text? You'll see how DSPy formats model outputs as proper Python objects. The upcoming example shows a sentiment classifier that returns its result as a prediction object with a clear sentiment field you can access directly.
Prediction. Sentiment equals fear.
This demonstrates DSPy's signature-based prediction pattern, where language model outputs are structured as Python objects with named fields. The code shows a prediction object containing a single field, sentiment equals fear, that directly exposes the classification result as an attribute. The key distinction is that outputs become programmatic objects rather than raw strings, with field names reflecting the semantic meaning of each prediction. The pattern works by defining a declarative signature that maps natural language tasks to structured outputs, where each predicted value becomes an accessible attribute. Here, the sentiment classification produces a clean object with direct attribute access, prediction sentiment, eliminating the need to parse unstructured text responses. This creates a direct bridge between the LM's output and your application logic, using Python's native object model as the interface. This approach simplifies working with LM outputs by treating predictions as standard Python objects rather than free-form text. Instead of manually extracting values from strings, you access results through clearly named attributes, making the code more readable and maintainable. The pattern is particularly useful when you need to integrate LM outputs with other Python systems or enforce consistent output structures across different model calls. Let's break it down line by line.
Prediction.
Creates a prediction object with a hard-coded sentiment field set to fear. This shows DSPy's pattern of returning structured outputs as Python objects with named attributes, making field access explicit and type-safe.
Sentiment equals fear.
This sets the sentiment field to the literal string fear in the prediction object. The hard-coded value demonstrates how to construct a concrete prediction instance with a specific sentiment classification. DSPy result structure. The prediction object encapsulates model outputs as named attributes, demonstrated here with the direct field assignment, sentiment equals fear. Field names become first-class Python attributes, enabling dot notation access without parsing raw strings.
The context that forgets its question remembers the answer.